set the pace when I'm running. I always
Namaste Friends. So today is chapter 8 in Panda. I'm not sure whether it's exactly the 49th chapter in the Python family or the 48th chapter, so my apologies for that. Kind of lost count there. But we are definitely chapter 8 in Panda. So last time we actually saw how to actually fix the wrong data and remove the data and stuff of that nature, because that is what we are doing for data analysis. So more or less we'll be coming an end to Panda pretty soon. Okay, so in this lecture what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you a data set. So in this lecture is all about removing the duplicates. I'm going to be showing a data set. I'm going to show where the duplicates is, and I'm going to be showing the commands that we can actually use in order to remove the duplicates. And the rest is in your hands. You can actually practice. Now let's actually take this thing. Okay, so I can even copy paste this. Okay, I can even copy paste this. So this is my data set that I actually created as a CSV. I can go here, and what I can do is in my new notebook, or interesting. I'm going to just open this for you. I mean, this is just for our case, so I'm not going to save this. I'm not going to do anything. So look at this. I have my data. So in this data, if you actually see here in the exact place of 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have a duplicate. Okay. I'm sorry, in this case it's 12. Okay, this is 11 here. So we have a duplicate here. So this is a clear duplicate, and we need to remove the duplicate. All right. So this is our task. So what I would actually do is, in order to discover whether there is a duplicate first available in a data set, I would actually go to my Panda. I would import my Panda. I would call my data set, and then I'll say if it is duplicated. Okay, this whether it is duplicated. It will return true if it is duplicated, or in this case it is going to say true. For only one it is going to say true, and the remaining ones it is going to say false. Now the other thing is removing the duplicates. So what I actually say is, while reading it, I say drop this duplicates where it is true. Okay, wherever it gave me true, drop this, and then I say print off this. So this will actually help me to remove the duplicates. So these are the two commands that I'm actually giving you. So kindly make a note of it. Now basically the in place true will make sure that the method does not return a new data, but will remove all the duplicates from the original data. Okay, so this is what it is. Okay, so now if you want to do the correct syntaxes, okay, so these are correct syntaxes. If you want to actually remove a row with empty cell, it is drop NA. If you want to insert a correct syntax for replacing empty cell with value 330, it is fill NA. So drop NA, fill NA, and then with 130. And if you want to insert a correct argument to make sure the changes are done for the original data frame instead of the returning one, because the original, this is the original, and what it returns is the returning. So in that case, we say drop NA in place equals true. For removing the duplicates in the data frame, we say drop duplicates, which is exactly what we did. Drop underscore duplicates. So what did we learn? Is duplicated. Okay, whether it is duplicated is what you actually check, and then we say drop duplicates. So this is what we do, and this is the syntax for the entire thing of this thing, whether it's drop NA, fill NA, and stuff of that nature. So this is removing the duplicates. Okay, we can actually take a break here. If you have any questions, kindly ask me. I'll try to explain to the best of my abilities. Like always, I'd like to thank two persons. One is you for giving me a golden time, and the other is my wife Jayashree for allowing me to follow my passion. So till we see next time, you take care, cheers, and thank you.